Aha, the big part. Is this the bottom or the top? No, this is the top because... Yeah, this is definitely the top. Okay. God handle, behold. Behold, God handle. Oh yeah, I saw that, like, also on Twitter that my crab hand cam clips were getting traction for some reason randomly, and I'm like, oh, that's interesting. But my only complaint is, like, they only show the part that I struggled. And they don't show all the other parts of when I was, like, professionally breaking the crab legs. They only show... So everyone thinks I'm beeping weak and was struggling when number one, it was ASMR, and number two, I was breaking all the other legs. It was just the front claws that was giving me a hard time, but I was breaking the other legs perfectly fine and doing a heckin' good job out of it. But they only show the part where I struggled. Dang it. Dang it. Okay, here's... Misinterpretation! It was ASMR! And it was the front claws that were giving me a hard time, but the rest of the strip, you can go back on the VOD. I was showing you my expert crab breaking skills. Dang it. So out of context. It's okay though. It's okay though. Again, the crab stream was really, really fun. I love doing hand cams and stuff like that. Okay, line up the holes again. We line up the holes. And it would snap into place if the holes line up. The holes do line up. Oh. Where is the snap? Please don't break. The holes are aligned. Oh snap. Maybe I No, don't make struggle sounds. It's gonna get clipped. Okay. One more try.